Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and welcome to my very first YouTube channel video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk and the Aussie Miracle Curls Crème, I hope I'm saying that right, pudding. I have never used these products before, so I wanted to see how they came out. I literally bought them at CVS, so you can get them. I think they were about $5 to $7. But here I am, I just used the paddle brush to make sure that I took out all the knots in my hair, and I'm sectioning off my hair to make it easier to apply the products. I like to section my hair if I want the products to be distributed better. I usually don't do this though, just because I am really busy and I like to take the lazy way out of things and I don't section my hair. But trust me, you want to section it to make sure the products go to every part of your hair. Now I'm going to take some water. Clearly it's not working for me here, but I got another bottle. I filled it up with water and I'm re-wetting my hair because it started to dry. You do not want to apply products on dry hair. Trust me, hydrate those curls. Hydrate them babies because they need water. It'll help distribute the products better and it'll just look better. You don't want to put product on dry hair. It's frizzy and it's not okay. Next, I'm taking my diamond brush and I'm just going again, making sure there's no knots in my hair and clumping my curls together already. I'm going to start by taking the leave-in detangling milk and I'm going to put about, I would say it was like, I'm not going to say a dime size, maybe like a quarter size of the product for both sections of my hair. And I'm just going to spread it all over my hands and I'm just going to rake it through my sections as I do here. When I distribute the product on my hair, I make sure that I get it all the way to the top, really close to the root. I know a lot of people don't like this because it can cause buildup, but at the same time, I just want to make sure that all of my hair is fully saturated with the product and I do not want any flyaways or any frizz on the top of my head. It would suck to see nice curls and then the top of my head looks like a ball of nest. So that's not what we're going to do today. So next, I'm just going to take my diamond brush and I'm going to brush the sections again so the curls can start clumping together and become more defined. The diamond brush is amazing for this. Next, I'm going to take the Aussie Miracle Curls Crème Pudding. I'm just going to take about, I kind of like scooped it because it was like a weird, it literally was like pudding and I'm just not a pudding person, so I didn't know exactly like how much to put because I wasn't sure if it was more so like a cream because at the same time it looks like a gel. Here you can see my face. I was like, this smells good, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna come out like a gel or not, so I just put like a small amount for now because I load up on gel sometimes. But for this sake, I did not want to take the chance just in case it does act like a gel. If a pudding is a cream and a gel, let me know. If it's just a cream, let me know. If it's just a gel, also let me know. But at the end of the day, spoiler alert, I did like it. But anyways, to go back, I only put like the tips of my fingers into the bottle and I scooped it up, and again I'm just distributing it all the way from the root to the ends for my hair, taking my diamond brush again and I'm going to section my hair. Now for the last part, I'm going to section my sections so that way I can rake it through. Here you can see me twirling the end of my brush and then I'm shaking my hair, so it's kind of like a rake and shake. So I'm raking my hair so they can clump separately, those sections together, and then I'm gonna twirl it as I go through. The reason I'm doing sections on sections is because if I do a bigger section and I do the rake and shake method on that, the curls are gonna be even bigger. Like they're gonna clump even more and it's just gonna be a big old spiral on my head and it's gonna take way too much for me to separate those curls. And another spoiler alert, it still was too big of a section. I had some pieces of my hair that were so like coiled together and I was just like, I'm not dealing with this right now. But here you can see me doing the method again. And remember, after you do the rake and shake method, the last thing to do is, of course, scrunch as your life depended on it. There is such a thing as over scrunching, apparently, that I've heard, but I love scrunching. I do it so much when I'm drying my hair and when I'm done applying all the products. Like, I scrunch in between drying sessions. Scrunch helps me so much. But here I am again. I'm just taking the other side and I'm raking through my curls, taking sections and shaking them off when I finish. Because I have so much hair, I have a ton of hair, guys. You would not believe it. It might not look like it now, but trust me, I do. But because I have so much hair, I'm only going to show you guys this section. If not, you would be watching me for like hours and hours and hours because it takes so long to do my hair. But I hope that you understood this portion of the video, and then I'm just going to move on to do the rest of my hair so I can show you guys how I do my bangs and then how I diffuse my hair. So now that we're back, I just sectioned off honestly, very weirdly. I don't know what I was doing, but it's okay. I sectioned off my bangs because honestly, I don't know which part of my bangs are anymore, which ones are the short layers, but I just sectioned it off and I kind of just comb it forward to the front of my hair. Again, I'm just re-wetting my sections because this is the part of the hair that got driest, got dried the most. That my English is terrible, sorry. Got dried the most so far, so I'm just re-wetting them and I'm detangling them and clumping them together with my Demon brush. The only reason I wanted to show you guys how I do my front bangs is just because I still have, I would say, the most heat and chemical damage in the front of my hair, so the front of my hair does take a while basically to, I don't know why. The front of my hair is just not regenerating it. I don't even know if that's the word for it. Like, it's just not curling like the rest of my hair, and it's so annoying. But nevertheless, I just decided to cut them into bangs because it was time for them to get a nice cut since they were so damaged, but they still need a little push. So what I do is I apply the products the same way, but I take different pieces, sometimes big chunks, sometimes little chunks of hair, and I just literally finger coil with my fingers. I just twirl them around. I don't do it in the same directions. I don't like doing it in the same directions. I feel like that doesn't look very natural to me. So I do random pieces in different directions so they go all over the place. But yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to point out, just because it's okay to give a little curls, a little push, a little help, because there are those few pieces of hairs where you're just like, yeah, like you just want to like completely get rid of them because they won't curl. But unfortunately, it is what it is. You gotta deal with it until they get better. So this is what I do in the meantime. So after I applied both of the products, this is how my hair looks when it's wet. I don't know why, but I felt like shaking it for like dramatic effect so they could like fall and y'all could see. But I went to go air dry for like about, I'ma say, like 2 to 3 hours, and then I came back and I came to diffuse my hair with the blow dryer. I use a Revlon hair dryer and I use the Curly Co diffuser. I use it on a warm setting and I use it on like a normal low speed. This is why it takes me like 20 hours to just dry my hair, but honestly I prefer drying my hair with a blow dryer than air drying because it would take me like 2 days to completely dry my hair. It's ridiculous. I've done it before, never again. I'm always going to do it unless I'm hot. But unfortunately, that did happen in this video. I didn't completely dry my hair with a blow dryer for as long as it needed to. It was so hot, I was sweating, and I couldn't take it anymore. But I let it dry to like 80 to 85% dry, and this is how they came out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it. I felt like my curls came out so defined, and I was literally so happy because I've never seen my hair curl this much before, but it was amazing. I totally recommend these products. So if you want me to try other new products, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will gladly do so for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.